Have you ever heard the saying, "You reap what you sow"? Well, let me tell you a story about a little garden and the magic of effort. Once upon a time in a cozy village, there was a small garden named Effort. In this garden, two friends, Lily and Max, decided to plant some seeds. Lily carefully planted her seeds, watered them every day, and made sure they got plenty of sunlight. Max, on the other hand, just tossed his seeds around and forgot about them. Days turned into weeks, and something amazing happened. Lily's plants began to grow tall and strong, with beautiful flowers and tasty veggies. But Max's garden? It was full of weeds and barely any plants. Lily's garden was a rainbow of colors, and everyone in the village admired it. They asked Lily, "How did you make your garden so beautiful?" Lily smiled and said, "I took care of my seeds every day. I gave them love, water, and sunlight." Max felt sad and asked Lily, "Why didn't my garden grow like yours?" Lily gently explained, "Max, you didn't give your seeds the care they needed. Remember, you reap what you sow. What you put in is what you get out." Max learned an important lesson that day. He decided to replant his garden, this time with care and effort. And guess what? Soon his garden was just as beautiful as Lily's. So kids, always remember, if you want something to grow and succeed, you need to put in the effort and care. Just like in the Garden of Effort, you reap what you sow. Thanks for listening.